you guys are currently separated from the person that you're meant to be with. And I feel like this is definitely somebody that, for a lot of you guys, you could have dealt with. I mean, it could be someone new coming in. Maybe you don't know this person. You guys are just separated. But the energy I'm picking up, it is a past person. This is your person that you're supposed to be with. I feel like this person kept their distance from you, or they're living at a distance because they were involved in another situation, but they're not happy. So they're manifesting to come back towards you because they want to commit to you. They want to take things, or they can see themselves taking things to the next level, but there's something that they have to get out of. So they could be married, they could just be in a relationship, but let's just see how this plays out. Ugh, that's why I said we doing this last month in the year, Aries. Let's just see. Alright, Spirit, what's going on with Aries, please? Alright, Aries, here we go. Bottom of the deck, I have the 9 of Cups. So, I'm seeing that overall, things are going to improve here. So, let's see. Somebody made a decision, but they're not being positive about it. Tell me more. Yeah. Somebody was left out in the cold. So, yeah, somebody was done wrong. They were left out in the cold. And whoever was left out in the cold, I'm seeing that you've been healing. So, Aries, this could be you. Remember I told you I felt like somebody, you know, they're separated from someone. But it's kind of like you've been healing, you've been putting in the work, or it could be cross-watcher. Tell me more. Okay. Yeah. This person knows that they did you wrong, and see, they want to come back to work things out. They want to give you this offer. They're just afraid that you're not going to take it. They're afraid that they're not going to have this new beginning with you. And they're worried about that, see? Okay. Somebody does not have a peace of mind about something that took place. Justice. You could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice, please. Yeah. I feel like if you guys were left out in the cold, I feel like you called for justice. You want justice. Some of y'all want this person to pay, okay? You want them to suffer because of what they put you through. And I feel like, yeah, they've been going through it. Somebody's been going through their karma. Because there was something that took place here in the past, yeah. See, it could have been something pertaining to, like, a home, family, something like that. But somebody's trying to make a decision about some type of home life, whether it's, like, family involved, living situation. Tell me more. Somebody's trying to figure out what to do about their stability. Tell me more. Yeah, I see a decision's going to be made, but this person feels like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. I know I'm seeing these 11s. So, let's see. I told you, this is your person. This is a soulmate. Could be twin, but right now I'm picking up more so soulmate. I feel like somebody's coming out of being frustrated here, but they're afraid that they're not going to have this new beginning with you. And they're not happy about it. Ooh. Y'all, the 10 of Swords tried to jump out. Yeah, this person kept stabbing you in the back. There you are, Aries. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, another Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but I feel like you guys have to make a decision because they're coming back. See, but this person is moving slow. Knight of Pentacles tried to jump out. They're moving slow because they didn't balance things out with you in the beginning. Aries, there you are. I mean, you could be dealing with another Aries, but I'm telling you, this person didn't bring stability into the situation, and it's like they hurt you. You know, and now this person is afraid that you're not going to speak your truth, or you're not going to speak up, or you're not going to want to listen to them when they come back. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But yeah, this person definitely wants to put in the work. And they know they have to in order to win you back. Because they've been going through some type of changes here. Could be going through a transformation. Yeah, because see, they're coming back to turn things around. Somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio. Somebody also could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. And I'm telling you, they want to balance things out with you. Look at this. Somebody wants to commit to you. Somebody definitely sees themselves marrying you. Could be dealing with a Taurus. Look at that. I'm telling you, Aries, there is some type of commitment coming in for you. It's coming in. Tell me more. See, the fact that the Chariot just almost tried to jump out, this is letting me know that somebody definitely wants to move forward with you. I'm telling you, they want a commitment with you. They definitely see themselves marrying you. Could have been dealing with a Cancer, but yeah, this person definitely wants to be with you. But see, the issue is, because, okay, whoever this is resonating for, your person, they have a hard time talking to you. You know, they have a hard time talking to anyone, you know, showing their emotions, speaking up. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, but because they know if they don't open up, nothing is going to take place. You know, and this is why they're stuck, because they know they have to say something to you. But I feel like they're battling themselves. They're fighting themselves. Tell me more. Yep. Because a lot of times when they have tried to communicate to you in the past, or when they did try to talk to you, it's like their communication comes off really harsh. Like, they have a hard time really saying the right things to you, and it comes off kind of crazy. So then it's like you could be getting frustrated with them, and then you're going off, and then they're like, F it, and they go off. It's a mess. But I feel like they want to rush in, and they want to say something to you. Yeah, look, I'm telling you, they want to heal things with you. They're holding on to hope that can happen. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius here, but see, there's some type of tower moment. Clarify this tower. Yeah, there's a shakeup on your person's end, and that's why right now they're not talking to you, because see, yeah, they're trying to figure out what to do. Tell me more. The Chariot. They're definitely wanting to move things forward with you. Clarify the Chariot. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Yeah, see, they want things to improve with you. They do. Look, they want to balance things out. They choose you. But for some of them, they're afraid you're going to walk away. For other, I mean, honestly, yeah, they're afraid you're going to walk away. But for some of them, they got to walk away from something else or someone else. Because, yeah, they're not, I'm telling y'all, they're not confused anymore. They're just taking their time. See, this was their lesson. Some of you could be dealing with a Virgo here. This was their lesson. And now they're coming out of feeling like they lost you. But they are afraid things may not improve between the two of you. But they do want to have a victory with you. Tell me more. And they're confident. They're coming. But they're frustrated. This is them. They need to speak up. This person has got to speak up. See? I'm telling you. Them not owning their truth, them not speaking their truth, is creating an imbalance between the two of you. Could be dealing with a Gemini. See? Every time they want to say something to you, they don't say it. They know if they don't speak up soon, they're going to miss an opportunity with you. So, right now, they are listening to their intuition. Tell me more. And they're coming out of feeling stuck. They're coming out of being frustrated. Okay. The Moon. Again, they're listening to their intuition. But I don't know why I'm picking up fear here. Because of the past. Tell me more. Yeah. They're thinking about how before they were moving really, really slow with you. But I'm telling you, they don't want to move slow with you anymore. But they know that they broke your heart. That's why I was picking up fear here. They want to fix it. They want to fix your broken heart. But at the same time, because there was some type of third-party interference, they're dragging their feet. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. And the way the Fool just came out, this is why they're back and forth with taking this leap to come towards you. Because they don't know if you're going to accept their offer. Okay? And that's why they're not talking to you. Yeah, you're not talking to this person right now. But the crazy thing is like, they don't want you to cut them off. So it's kind of like, I'm going to need them to say something. Because it's going to be a missed opportunity. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But I'm telling you, this person does want things to improve. But they have to, this behavior that they have where they're keeping things hidden, maybe they had secrets in the past, they're not opening up to you, they have to let that go. They got to walk away from that. If some of them were in something toxic, like there was a third party, they're trying to leave that situation alone. They're trying to get out of that. Tell me more. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but I'm seeing this person just doesn't have the strength to come towards you because they did have you waiting, you know, and they know you're frustrated with them. They've been playing this game a long time. Some of them could be healing from being sad. Some of them could be frustrated with their money because maybe they took a financial hit being in this toxic third-party situation, you know, where they were giving to someone else. But I'm seeing that they're keeping an eye on you because they do want to give you an offer. The Queen is more so up for me. Who's the Queen of Pentacles? Clarify. It's you. You guys are representing the Queen of Pentacles, so I feel like they know that right now you're focusing on you, you know, and you're moving on, and they don't want you to leave them behind. So this is them learning their lesson. They're coming. But see, some of them, they're not content with their finances right now, and that could be a problem. But they're also not content with how they left things with you, and that's why they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. Look at that, see? The King and the Queen of Pentacles. So either, like I was telling you in the beginning, like you guys could be married to this person, or this is someone who looks at you as someone that they want to marry. They want to have a commitment with. Somebody's dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But yes, this person feels like you don't want to give them, you're not going to take this offer. You're going to reject it. And they're afraid you're going to come off cold and harsh to them. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. And see, they're having a hard time right now. They even landed kind of on separation. You know, you two are definitely separated from each other right now because this person kept stabbing you in the back. But the fact that I'm seeing 2 10s here, this is good because that's letting me know that karmic cycle is done. There is something new that's going to start with you guys. Tell me more. Yeah. This person definitely was being sneaky. You know, and that's why they have to start all the way over with you. You know, they're going to give you an offer. Look at that. Because ultimately, their goal is to have a family with you. They want wish fulfillment with you, Aries. But in order for that to happen, they're going to have to remove themselves from a third-party situation. That's what was keeping you guys separated. It could have been a family situation here, but they have to walk away. All right, Aries, that was your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're interested in a personal reading, please send me an email. I'll leave my information in the description box. And also leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates. All right, Aries. Until next time. Talk to you soon. Bye. Talk to you soon. Bye. Talk to you soon. Bye. Talk to you soon.